The Bureau of Labor Statistics has released the Consumer Price Index report this week, indicating that inflation is easing again in the U.S. According to the data, inflation grew slower in April, rising by 0.3% compared to 0.4% in the previous month, beating economists' expectations of a 0.4% month-over-month growth. Bitcoin price, which hovered between 60 resistance at $64,000 for almost 2 weeks, gained growth against sellers, topping the $65,000 level. After the constrained movement in the narrow range between $60,000 and $64,000, BTC prices attempting to make a daily close above $65,000. The lack of direction was attributed to investor withdrawal, citing growing uncertainties, hinges on regulations, and geopolitical tensions. However, with inflation breaking the rising streak in April, risk assets are showing potential to wake up and recoup the losses incurred. Since April, according to the CPI report, yearly inflation went up by 3.4%, matching expectations of 3.4%, but fell below 3.5%. Reported in March, and excluding the volatile prices of food and energy, the core CPI climbed by 0.3%, matching market watchers' expectations of 3.6%. And this metric shot up to 0.4% in March. Further, considering the year-over-year basis, the CPI dropped to 3.6%, compared to 3.8% in the previous month. Bitcoin ETFs volume, leaning more on the negative flows in the past weeks, appears to be changing the momentum as inflation eases in the world's biggest economy. According to SOSO value data, ETFs recorded over $100 million in daily total net inflow, contributing to $11.84 of the cumulative total net inflow volume. Although outflows from Grayscale have been eased in the last few weeks, GBTC still posted $51 million of daily net inflow. The best performing ETFs on May 14 were ARK Invest with $133 million, followed by Fidelity with $8 million, while Invesco closed the top three with $6 million. Bitcoin is back on the bullish front lines as buyers battle for the reins, aiming for $70,000 before June. The coin now holds above all three short-term bull market indicators, including the 20-day exponential moving average, the 50-day EMA, and the 100-day EMA, the blue, red, and purple lines on the chart. And BTC's upswing is backed by the relative strength index as it enters the overbought region at 72. If this indicator sustains the uptrend, traders can expect Bitcoin to close within the gap to $70,000 within the next 2 weeks. The next few sessions will be crucial for Bitcoin price. With support above the red band or $64,000, bulls will have ample time to strategize the move towards $70,000. However, sliding below the same level put hand sellers ammunition to push prices lower towards $60,000 again. Above all, Bitcoin price prediction reveals the coin is expected to peak above $100,000, marking the 2024 post-halving bull run.